This is for Easter, this Sunday and last Sunday, since there are 2 Easters for different people. Okay, so here's some eggs that I'm going to be opening up, and there are apparently fidgets in here. Let's go ahead and open them up. Start with this one. Oh, wow, okay. I'll put this aside. Look, I got a simple dimple. Let's open this. It's a mochi. It's a bunny mochi. Perfect with the Easter theme. Open this one. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, guys, look. It's an Among Us, a Among Us mini poppet. Picking one with my eyes closed. This big one. See what I got. Guys, look. I got a red and black tangle. Oh my god, look. God, it's stuck. Next, let's open this blue one. See what we got. Guys, we got another tangle. This one's even better. This to the pile. Open this. Ooh, a blue monkey noodle. That's cool. Ooh, a red marble mesh. Oh, another marble mesh. It's green. A couple more. What do we have left? Part 2.